In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an MEXC global account. Head to MEXC, as you can see right here in the logo. Head to the sign up button on the top right corner. Note that if you're using the app or the browser, it's the same process. You'll need both of an email or e-mobile. I suggest that you have both. Open your email, a randomly generated password. Please keep in mind that the randomly generated password is something that's very necessary. Why, you may ask? Because first of all, let me pass this captcha because that's a bit of annoying captcha. First of all, if you have a password that has your name, your pet, something, it's able to get cracked. So please keep that in mind. In this captcha, just select in the following order. You're going to have a randomly generated order, so make sure to do that as well. As you can see, a verification code has been sent successfully. If you're using email, you're going to receive it in email. If you're using it phone, you are going to receive it in your phone number. I'm using email, so I can check that I've received this in the email. Click on sign up, and as you can see, you have registered successfully. I believe you will also receive an email on the IP/device login, and that you already has registered successfully. As you can see, here's your account. Keep in mind that you actually have to also, as you can see right here, let me just pop this up. You are having to apply to VIP to be able to buy cryptocurrency and stuff. To do so, all you have to do is do a creat check, which is just your ID or passport. That's it for today's video, and goodbye.